Grabe mga setup play ni Keith Jimenez, binaliktad ang laban sa huli, taas ng game IQ. T-Rex parking lot 3, lista mo na, tindi ng upset game na to, tinulugan ng Pasig ang Sarangani. Todo suporta naman ng mga former Mavs phenomenal basketball player kay T-Rex. Panoorin natin ang highlights ng laban. I-like and share mo lang ang ating video and mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube.
Susubukan dito itong anak ni Coach Aldrin in Aaron as he tries to man the point guard spot.
Coach Aldrin is Aaron Morante. This is his 6th game efficiently. That's the thing that's changed for Warlo Bata.
Here he goes. Should to this advantage.
Yeah, what you like is yung control niya. I mean, when he played for Montenegro.
Collegiate programs, inaaral pa nila yung system, pero magandang opportunity ito for them i-add.
At a critical part of the season here, Coach Mike.
To paint the picture even more,
tightly guarded by J. Mark Palyari. Pass, Mark Montuano. And banks it in.
The player that he hopes to be.
Palyari. Ines, tough catch. Steps back. Dumps it inside to Brillantes, who flips it up and in.
High regard, saying he doesn't waste a single moment in training, constantly pushing them to be in top.
Toto to Batangas. But since then, they have racked up important victories here, Coach Mike.
Better at right through traffic, inside the paint, be staying under control and keeping the ball in the hands. Good feed right there by
Calamay pulls it back out to Keith Jimenez. Got Jesky Latan in the air with that up fake. And gets to the cup. 2 free throws.
a couple of times he dished it off. This time he tries to go for that finish.
Averaging at least 1 free a contest. In fact,
And it makes pretty much doble yung nawala eh. Dati nakaka-4 siyam sila. Ngayon, 4-5 na lang per game. That normally would take about 31 attempts.
ng Pasig City, 38-32. Naagaw ni J. Mark Palyari ang bola. Boy Alves. He will dunk this one with 2 hands. Oh, J. Mark Palyari with another steal and lays it up and in.
Has allowed them to be better defensively para dito sa Pasig. And once
That's gonna count. For points.
look at Aaron Morante. He quickly went down the floor. Hope to attack. See a basket.
Garcia, straight away free.
Jay Gars coming up with 8 coming off the bench. Now what's impressive for Sarangani is to see he's just been a valuable piece in the rotation for Coach Toto so far in the first game.
Putting his first 3-point shot off the ball game. Total of 17 points.
Aaron Morante does not have that size, but man, basketball IQ, that good read and good decision making. He's got 7 assists already.
Moste, Montuano. Morante, nasa laksak. The floater will go!
3-point shooting team. So unless things start to change in this match,
Minutes and 17 seconds left here in the third.
how about that vision of Aaron Morante, willing to allow Sarangani. Good turnover here, run for Sarangani.
Marsunga goes up strong for the lay-in, grabs the board.
Makeable shot inside the paint, which they missed.
Rapia Sidre. 3 seconds left on their shot clock. Cross closer, flips it up and in. 70 seconds remaining here in the third. Keith Jimenez. Different kind of season for him this time around as in category.
Yeah, he leads the team in minutes and steals. Teams able to make runs and the other team able to sustain it.
Jaime. Jimenez. 2 seconds left. Drives. Doesn't get the whistle. 28-22 in favor of Pasig. 23-22 sa kanila pa din. They had a 9-point lead at that half. Alves off the glass.
Still a pretty good 50%, but so far the second half he hasn't connected.
The layup. 21 21-point turnaround by Sarangani. Biggest lead was at 11 points. The long bomb from Kit Jimenez. 9 before that long 3-point shot. Gito Jaime trying to keep them and just played almost 21 minutes. Jimenez has found his groove. Another setup job. And tonight, Junji Aliare only 5 points. As Mark Montu. Uy, nakanakaw pa ang Sarangani.
Crucial start to the fourth quarter, really swinging this momentum.
Caliano stealing his pocket. Charles Caliano goes up strong for the fifth.
Para dito sa mga kakampi niya, nagkaroon ng mas lalong kumpiyansa and allowing them to get a share of the spotlight.
5 instead because of that turnover. Lead back up to 9. Up and under move by Mark Montuano.
Mark's good.
Garcia lines it up for 3. No, Galicia there for the putback. Frees himself up for a 3. Wala pa din. Jaime, up fake. Fouled. And 2 free throws coming up for Chito. C2 yan.
He says C2, that's
Supply. Jay Gars across the length of the floor. Jaime puts it up for 3. It's good. They're still alive. Last 2. Inbound, Junji. You need a quick foul. Passing. And they foul.
even if he makes both.
Sunga. It looks like ang gustong gawin ng Sarangani is for Sunga.
To miss the second.
Yeah, miss it. Oh, Caliano grabs the rebound. And that's gonna do it.